Hello people, and for this round, we're gonna show you how to share games on Steam with family sharing. Now the first thing we have to do is to go over to settings, and let's not be confused with this one here. This is something else. We have to go to interface, and then here in client beta participation, just choose Steam Families Beta, and we just need to restart Steam. Now it might take a few minutes, and now that Steam has restarted, let's click over to our profile, and let's go over to account details, and then go over to family management. Now once here, we can either join a family or create one. For now, we will be creating one, and just enter any name and create. And once here, we just need to invite a member. Inviting as a child allows you parental control, so you can restrict what games they can play or what they can do. And as an adult, that is full access to the library. So let's just do that. And once it's pending, you just need to accept the invite. Now, once they're in, we can go over to the library to see what games they have access to. Now, over here in the included games, these are the ones that they can access. And then down below are the games that they do not have access to. And it's usually free games, games with some DLC, etc. There is an entire criteria of what games can be shared. And that's it. If you have any questions, just leave them on the comment down below. Again, thank you for watching, and see you again next time.